Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Drive step by step clearly. To install Google Drive, first, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Google Drive Download. Press the Enter key to search. Look for the official Google Drive website in the search results. Click on the link to the Google Drive download page. On the download page, look for the Download button. Click the Download button. A prompt will appear asking you to accept the terms of service. Read the terms carefully, then click Accept and install. The installer file will begin to download. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. A security prompt may appear asking for permission to run the installer. Click Yes or Run to proceed with the installation. The installation window will appear on your screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, Google Drive will launch automatically. You may be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your email address and password to log in. After logging in, Google Drive will sync your files automatically. Your Google Drive is now ready to use. You can access it from your computer or through the Google. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.